Hi everybody and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna be talking how can you set up your firewall, because most of the time for beginners they come from other operation system and they want to try Linux. What happens is when you install the first time the operation system and you go to the firewall to activate the firewall, what will happen is you open the application, you activate, right? And then you close it. And when you log out or turn off the computer again, in this case, we're gonna do the same. So I'm gonna reboot. When you come back again, you're gonna realize with your surprise, or maybe not, that the firewall is not active. And the reason for that is very simple. You didn't say to the system that yes, every time I log in, I want the firewall to be active. Because what happens is, if we go to the application again, it's not active. And that happens, and most of the time, some people don't know how to go about in making the firewall as a permanently active. It's very simple and it's not really something very difficult to do or that a beginner cannot do. It's very simple. And since I installed this operation system, I decided, well, might as well just show you guys the very basic steps to make and set up your firewall. First, let me just increase the terminal so you guys can see properly. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, should be okay. So anytime you want to make sure if your firewall is active or not, or even if it's installed on your system, you can type this sudo ufw status. That will give you the information that you need to know. If I didn't have, you would show me a red line here and then saying that it's not found or something like that, which means it's not on your system. In this case, I want to know if it's active or not. I know already by here that is not, but I want to confirm on a terminal that it is inactive, and it shows, yeah. So if I put like this, it is active. What you will say next then? It is active, yeah. But the system doesn't know what you want to do with that next when you log out or you turn off the system and then later on you come back and you turn on and log in. The system doesn't know that you want that to be active at all time. So you need to let them know that yes, I want this active at all time. What you need to do is to copy and paste. In this case, I hope when I upload the video, it will not give me the same issue as the previous video, but if it is, you guys can see and just type the way it is here. So this line, it will tell the system that I need this application to be on at all times. So, and it will create a symlink to make sure that to trigger the firewall to be on as soon as I log in. Okay. Now, if you guys can see here, it says incoming reject. If you guys see here, reject incoming. Outgoing, allow. Here says sudo allow outgoing. We need to type those. So The meaning of this is that we already said to the system, listen, we want this active at all time, but we want to be like that. The same way that it is on a firewall is the same way, but we are telling the system this is what we want to do. And now we're gonna do the last line. And that's it. So you complete the setup of your firewall, and the next step is just to reboot, because you need to do that. And the next time that you log in, the system will know that yes, this application needs to be active. If I close now and I go here, reboot, let's put the password. If I open the terminal, and at the same time I'm gonna open the application, you guys will see that it is active. So anytime I want to know if it is or not, I will do the same way as I did before. Yeah, just click it, put your password, and it will say that it is active. So from now on, anytime your computer is on, the firewall will be on. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy. It's just really a quick video for beginners who are not sure, because sometimes I understand that you are new. Sometimes the people you ask for help, they don't really help you really much, and the way they explain you, it becomes even worse. And this way, it's a very straightforward. You can watch the video from one side and do on your computer like on the other side, and you still understand what you need to type in case I'm not going to be able to copy and paste this on the comments or on a description of the video. Yeah, so that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, goodbye.